We've also got the keyword detective. So this one is very cool. Oh, interestingly, we're not identifying any ads for this keyword, this product. But we can check out another product, but probably we shouldn't have gone with the best-selling product because it's just such a powerful, organically ranking product that they're not even advertising on it, at least as far as
Mm-hmm.
we've identified. But to go over Keyword
Interesting.
Detective, this is a really, really, really awesome tool. So, and by the way, you can do this. So right now we're doing this on the product level, but you can also do this on the brand level, and you can also do it even on the category level. What is it? As you can see, you have this Venn diagram. So our hammer with the red asterisk is right here.
Mm-hmm.
These two are other hammers. You can select that. You can choose who you want to show up here manually. It'll pull something in automatically. So
Mm-hmm.
we'll leave it as such for example's sake, but the idea is you want to find your two biggest competitors or like a list of competitors, but you'll be comparing them in this three-part Venn diagram.
Mm-hmm.
And so in this case, organically, our hammer, and the two other competing hammers, they are all showing up organically for these keywords right here. We're all showing
Mm-hmm.
up for these. However, these two big competitors are showing up for these keywords, but for whatever reason, our listing
Mm-hmm.
is not. So that's something that's important to investigate and figure out what is happening. And then these are keywords that search terms that we have that they don't.
Mm-hmm.
And the same thing would be true on the paid side. Let me see if I can quickly hop over to another product. Maybe we'll have some more. This one looks like a private label guy, Mr. Penn. So maybe they will be advertising. So I'm going to hit on search
Mm-hmm.
terms again, just like we did last time. And then I'm going to hit on keyword detective. Beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
So here we see these guys are really okay. So Mr. Penn is advertising. There's a guy that's advertising more, but on the paid side, we're all advertising on these keywords. My two biggest competitors are advertising on these keywords. Why
Mm-hmm.
am I not advertising on these keywords? I'd have to look.
Mm-hmm.
So this is
Mm-hmm.
very powerful.